Welcome to Class 6, friends. Today, I will share some important tricks that are very important for you to know. So let's start today's class. First of all, we will talk about text, how we can apply effects to text. Select the text, then go to the Effect option. Here, we get different types of effects. We will check them one by one. When we click on Echo, we can see the direction of the effect below, which we can adjust according to our needs. Below that, there is an Offset option, which we can also set as required. Under that, there is a Color option, from where we can change the color. Below that, there are Shape options that give a shape to our text. Go to the Background option, and it will add a background behind the text. You can increase or decrease its roundness, adjust the spread as you like, and also control the transparency. Below that, you can change the color as well. We can apply a backdrop to any image to create a shadow effect. For example, this is a butterfly. Select it, then go to Edit and scroll down. You will see Shadows. Click on it, and then select Backdrop. You can see how naturally it adds a shadow. Now, let's try it on some other images as well. Similarly, we can also add an outline to an image. Click on the image, go to Edit, then scroll down to Shadows and click on Glow. After that, scroll down where you will find the Size option for the outline. You can increase or decrease it as needed. Set the blur amount to 0. Then, you can change the color if you want and also adjust the intensity according to your preference.